Hey everybody, Steve Chase here. Today we're going to talk about how to undo a deleted purchase order in QuickBooks Online. So I'm sure we've all had this experience before when you delete something in QuickBooks Online that you have a uh-oh feeling about. And so now we're going to share with you how you can bring back that undo transaction here. So the first thing is you're going to want to connect to Rewind backups to just get the safety net of having this opportunity. So Rewind is a third-party app that is going to get integrated with your QuickBooks account. So there is an initial setup, but honestly, you can do it in about 10-15 minutes to get it going here. When you link up, you'll be asked where your data backup should be. And so they're a company out of Canada, so you're going to have a chance to choose to save your data being in the United States or Canada. That's a one-time deal. Once you set it up, you're going to have this little prompt that says your backup is a work in progress. Thanks for your patience. It should take just a few minutes to get a full backup. Once you get the complete backup going, you'll get an alert saying, "Great news! You've got everything backed up on your QuickBooks on account." And then going forward, it is going to be backing up every day. You have the ability to do some really neat things in here. And hopefully it's one of those things where you have it, set it, forget it, never need to use it until you have that uh-oh feeling. And I'm going to be sharing with you just one simple example. You delete a purchase order, made a mistake, need to bring it back without having to retype it. Let's go ahead and jump in and get started. All right, I'm going to open up a quick purchase order. We're going to look at the time here. According to my clock, it's 7:49 a.m. And I've got this little purchase order. It's got some notes on it. It's got some information here. And let's go ahead and hit more. Delete. Are you sure? Yes. Uh-oh. How do we get it back? So at this point in time, we could use our Rewind app for the rescue. So let me go ahead and sign in with Rewind app, and I'll be back in a moment. All right, here I am in what's called the Vault. And so the Vault's going to have everything that's happened in your QuickBooks since you initially connected to Rewind backups. What I can do here is I can click Filter, and I can see all the different instances and types of transactions I can bring in. So if I'm interested in finding a quick purchase order, I can filter out by the purchase order. And then I'm just going to also could filter out by date range. Notice I can look for active content or deleted content and apply. I picked the wrong one. It should have been a purchase order. I did purchase. There it is. Purchase. And apply. Okay. There we go. So I'm going to select this here. And on the left-hand side it says you've deleted this item from your account. To get it back, select the past version and rewind to that version. So here I'm going to have the ability to select the version. So I'll select the most recent version and just simply click restore this version. Yep. Okay, I'll get an email notification by email when this restore is complete. Okay. So pretty cool. So now let's take a quick look at going back to our QuickBooks account. I'm going to do a refresh and magic, it's back. All right, so I'm loving this here. So I noticed that everything came in except for the attachment that did not come back with it. But pretty happy I don't have to retype all this all over again, and I've got that information here. So that is the magic of Rewind. one example. Stay tuned. I hope to make a whole bunch more of these videos as I'm learning it, and I can share with you the knowledge of using Rewind to its fullest. Lots more cool features to come.